So today we'll try to understand the difference between the terms sympathy, empathy, and compassion. As we know, these terms are used interchangeably very often and it is very confusing. So if you see, there is a gradual increase in the level of emotion involved here. Sympathy means simply to recognize and feel sorrow or feel sad for someone's pain. Suppose your friend failed in an examination and you feel sorry for their failure. So it is basically feeling sad or sorrow for someone's misfortune. Then comes empathy. Empathy means to understand and share the same feeling. You can basically put yourself in their shoes and understand what they are going through. So suppose in the same example, your friend failed and you recall your own failure of past and you can actually feel how it feels to be there. Next is compassion. Compassion is nothing but empathy plus action. Here, not only you feel their pain, but you also make efforts to relieve the pain, to make them overcome the pain. So if your friend fails, you decide to help them overcome the failure and help them prepare next exam. If you see, the level of emotion involved is low, medium, and high. Another example you can quote of flood victim. Suppose you hear the news of flood victims. If you feel sorry for them, if you feel sad for them, that is sympathy. In case you recall one of your friends, family, or yourself being in that situation in past and actually feel by putting yourself in their shoes the level of their pain, then that is empathizing. And if you decide to help them, that is compassion. Similarly, you can quote the recent example of Ahmedabad plane crash. If you feel sorry for the victims, then that is sympathy. And if you feel how if one of your closed one was in that flight and what would it had felt like losing them, then that is empathy. In case you decide to help the victims by donating blood, money, or anything else, any other kind of support, then that is compassion. Finally, you can use this quote in your answer. Sympathy sees the pain, empathy feels the pain, and compassion heals the pain. So if you want to score 120 plus in GS4 in ethics paper, you can follow our channel IAS Foundry, and you can follow this initiative Ethics in 30 Seconds to improve your understanding of these keywords in ethics. Thank you.